Hello, I'm Ranjit Singh Tin from Logos English Services. In this video, I'll be talking further about coordinating conjunctions. There are four groups of coordinating conjunctions: and, but, or, so. We will cover each one by one. The first group, and. And group shows addition. On the board here, you are given two examples. Look at the first example. He was scolded, we were punished. We combine them thus. He was scolded and we were punished. This is the common way of combining two simple sentences using and. But there are other coordinating conjunctions that can be used. In the and group, there are many members that we can use to combine two simple sentences. Now look at the second example. You are my friend, you are my teacher. You can combine them in this manner using and. You are my friend and teacher. Or you can combine them in this manner. You are both my friend and teacher. Both and. Or you can combine them in this manner. You are not only my friend but also my teacher. Not only but also. So there are many members in the and group. There is and, there is both and, there's also not only but also. But there are others too. Look at example C. You are given two simple sentences. He was expelled, he was degraded. You can combine them thus. He was expelled as well as degraded. So there are many ways that you can combine two simple sentences into one single sentence using the coordinating conjunctions in the and group, such as and, both, dash and, not only, dash but also, and as well as. So these are the coordinating conjunctions in the and group: and, both, dash and, not only, dash but also, as well as. The second group, the but group shows contrast. It means the second part is not what we might expect to follow the first part. Now look at sentence example A. The man is poor. but he is honest. Okay, there are some changes to be made in the second sentence. Now look at example 2. He suffered much, he never complained. Instead of using but all the time, there are many others that we can use to combine these two sentences to show contrast. He suffered much, still he never complained. Now look at example C. You are my enemy, I shall help you. You can combine these two simple sentences in this manner. You are my enemy, yet I shall help you. So you can use but, still, and yet. There are another two that you can use. Now the but group has another two coordinating conjunctions that we can use to show contrast. Look at example D. She tried very hard, she failed. We can combine them in this manner. She tried very hard. However, she failed. Now look at example E. He got up early, he arrived late. We can combine them in this manner. He got up early, nevertheless, he arrived late. So as you can see, there are many coordinating conjunctions in the but group, such as but, still, yet, however, and nevertheless. These are the coordinating conjunctions that are in the but group, which shows contrast. The third group is the or group. The or group shows a choice between two alternatives. You are given three examples here. Look at example A. You must obey his orders, he will punish you. We can combine them in this manner. You must obey his orders, or he will punish you. Instead of or, we can use other two coordinating conjunctions. Look at example B. You may travel by train, you may travel by bus. We can combine them in this manner. You may travel either by train or by bus. Look at example C. She is not lazy, she is not careless. We can combine them in this manner. She is neither lazy nor careless. What is the difference between either or, neither nor? When you want to use either or, it must be a positive sentence. We can only use neither nor in negative sentences which contain not. So what are the coordinating conjunctions that we use in the or group? They are or, either or, and neither nor. These are the three coordinating conjunctions in the or group. The fourth group is the so group. The so group shows a deduction from the first sentence or a conclusion made from the first sentence. Look at example A. They did not study, they failed in every subject. The common way to combine these two sentences is thus: they did not study, so they failed in every subject. Look at example B. The weather is dry, the plants are dying. Instead of using so all the time, we have other coordinating conjunctions in the so group. We can combine these two sentences in this manner: the weather is dry, therefore the plants are dying. There are another two coordinating conjunctions that we can use in the so group. Look at example C. The man has been toiling the whole day, he is very tired. We can combine these two simple sentences in this manner: the man has been toiling the whole day, and consequently he is very tired. Look at example D. He has made many mistakes, he is very careless. We can combine them in this manner: he has made many mistakes, for he is very careless. Therefore, there are four coordinating conjunctions that we can use in the so group. They are so, therefore, and consequently. And the last one, for. So these are the four coordinating conjunctions in the fourth group, so group, which shows a conclusion drawn from the first sentence. I will leave you with this exercise. Combine these simple sentences into one compound sentence. With the information given in this video, the four groups and, but, or, so, and the various coordinating conjunctions that you can use, please combine these two simple sentences into one compound sentence. It's a matter of practice. I will be talking about this further in my coming videos. Thank you.